In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an admin account on a Windows 11 PC. Having an administrator account is really important whenever you need to install software, change system settings, or manage other users on your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid common issues along the way. First, make sure you're signed into Windows with an account that already has administrator rights. You can't create another admin account if you're currently using a standard account. So if you're on a shared computer, you may need to ask the current admin to sign in for you before you start. Once you're signed in, go down to the bottom of your screen and click on the Start button. In the Start menu, look for the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear, and click it. This will open the main settings window, where we'll do all of our account setup. Inside Settings, look at the list on the left-hand side and click on Accounts. This section controls everything related to users, sign-in options, and family or work accounts. After you open Accounts, find the option that says Family and Other Users, or sometimes just Other Users depending on your Windows version, and click on that. On this page, you'll see any existing accounts that are already set up on your PC. Below that, there's a button that says Add Account. Click this to start creating your new user. Windows will first ask if you want to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you want this new admin account to be tied to an email address, you can enter it here. If you'd prefer a local account that isn't connected to an email, look for the option that lets you create a user without a Microsoft account and choose that instead. Follow the prompts to enter a username and a secure password. Make sure the password is something you can remember, but not something that's easy for others to guess. Once the account is created, you'll see it listed under Other Users. Click on that new account, then choose the option that says Change Account Type. A small window will appear with a drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and change it from Standard User to Administrator. Then click OK to confirm. At this point, your new administrator account is ready to use. You can sign out from your current account, switch to the new one, and you'll have full admin access on your Windows 11 PC.